Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Chats.
Hi, friends. It's so nice to be with you today.
Today, we are going to the post office.
Yes, the post office. A very useful place.
That's right. We need to send a package today.
And we'll practice English for the post office.
Don't worry, it's simple English. Easy phrases.
Yes, everyone can learn this.
Okay, let's start. I have a package here.
What's in the package?
It's a birthday gift for my sister. She lives in another city.
Oh, that's nice. What did you get her?
A scarf and a book. I wrapped them carefully.
Good. Is the box strong?
Yes, I used a good box and tape.
Perfect. You need a strong box for shipping.
I know. I don't want anything to break.
Smart. Okay, let's go to the post office.
Yes, I need to send this today.
Is it far from here?
No, just 5 minutes walking.
Good. Let's go together.
Thank you for coming with me.
No problem. I'm happy to help.
We're walking now. There's the post office.
I can see it. There's a small line outside.
That's okay. The line is moving.
Yes, it's not too crowded today.
Good. I don't like waiting too long.
Me neither. Oh, the door is opening. Let's go in.
Okay, we're inside now.
It's warm in here. Much better than outside.
Yes. Now let's get in line.
There are 3 people in front of us.
That's fine. We can wait.
While we wait, let's think about what to say.
Good idea. What do I need to tell them?
First, you say, I'd like to send a package, please.
Okay. I'd like to send a package, please.
Perfect. They will ask you questions.
What kind of questions?
They'll ask, where are you sending it?
I'm sending it to Chicago.
Good. They might also ask what's inside.
A scarf and a book.
Perfect. Always be honest about what's inside.
Of course. I won't lie.
Good. And they'll ask about shipping speed.
Shipping speed?
Yes. How fast do you want it to arrive?
Oh, I see. What are the options?
Usually regular mail, express, or overnight.
What's the difference?
Regular mail takes 5 to 7 days. It's cheapest.
Okay. And express?
Express takes 2 to 3 days. More expensive.
And overnight?
Overnight means next day. Very expensive.
My sister's birthday is next week.
Then regular mail should be fine.
Yes, that gives enough time.
And it saves money too.
True. Oh, the line is moving.
Yes, only one person in front of us now.
Good. I'm getting a little nervous.
Don't be nervous. Just speak slowly and clearly.
I will try.
The post office workers are very helpful.
That's good to know.
They're used to helping people who don't speak perfect English.
Really?
Yes, they're patient and kind.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Oh, it's your turn now.
Okay, here I go. Deep breath.
You can do it. Next, please.
Hello. I'd like to send a package, please.
Sure. Where are you sending it to?
Chicago, Illinois.
Okay. Can you place it on the scale, please?
The scale? You mean here?
Yes, right here on the counter.
Okay. Placing package.
Thank you. Let me weigh it. 2 pounds.
Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. What's inside the package?
A scarf and a book.
Okay. Any fragile items? Fragile.
What does that mean?
Things that can break easily, like glass.
Oh, no. Nothing fragile.
Good. Now, how would you like to send it?
What are my options?
We have first class, that's 5 to 7 days. Priority, 2 to 3 days. Or express overnight.
How much is first class?
For 2 pounds to Chicago, $8.50.
And priority?
Priority is $15.
I'll take first class, please.
Good choice. Would you like tracking?
Tracking. What's that?
You can follow your package online. See where it is.
Oh, yes, I'd like that.
Tracking is $2 extra.
That's okay. I'll take it.
Perfect. So your total is $10.50.
Okay. Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, of course. Insert your card here.
Thank you. Inserting card.
Great. Here's your receipt and tracking number.
Thank you. When will it arrive?
It should arrive in 5 to 7 business days.
Business days? Not including weekends?
Correct. Weekends don't count.
Good to remember.
At the end, you can pay with cash or card.
Most post offices accept both.
Yes, very convenient.
And always take your receipt.
Very important. The receipt has your tracking number. Don't lose it. No. Keep it safe until your package arrives.
Good advice. So friends, these phrases are simple but powerful. You can use them at any post office.
In any English-speaking country.
Practice saying them at home.
I'd like to send a package, please.
How much does it cost? When will it arrive? Can I have tracking? Easy sentences, but very useful. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Post office workers are there to help you. They want you to send your package safely. So speak clearly and be polite. And everything will be fine. Exactly. Sending packages is easy, even in English, especially with these simple phrases. Okay, friends, that's our post office conversation today. We hope this helps you feel more confident. The post office is a useful place, and now you know how to use it in English. Practice these phrases and you'll be ready. Thank you for listening today. See you in the next conversation. Goodbye and happy mailing. Goodbye, everyone. Send your packages with confidence.